Let me show you how you can facilitate a meeting or session asynchronously. My name is Sarah, and I will quickly guide you through the process. Use a list session like this one or a whiteboard and start by adding some context about the session. If you are not in editing mode already, you can access the editing mode by clicking here. Start adding text here. Maybe you can give readers some information about what you will be talking about during the session and why the discussion is important. Now you can even share your screen with a Loom video, and you can add the link here. Just like this. Once your video, image, or text is ready, you can even ask a question. For example, how are you feeling about this new design update? And you can choose the type of resources your collaborators will need to answer that question, such as the emotion wheel. Now you can add another question like this one. Or this other question, where they can add their suggestions on a sticky note. Or this other question, where they can choose between two options. I think you get a sense of how this works. And if you have a deadline, you can add a due date, just like this. Just remember to invite your team and stakeholders. Creating this session is as easy and fast as preparing for a meeting, and the experience is even better. People can collaborate from their computers or phones on their own time, but always following your deadline. This async session feels as collaborative as if they were in a meeting. They can see each other's answers and even see each other's cursors. Just look at my screen. They can even join a call if they are in the same session at the same time. Start saving time and improving stakeholder engagement and asynchronous collaboration with Nova.